guys. Now I will tell you how to install the Aeon8700A and safety machine. First, when we open the package, we found this. This is the main part, and this circle, brace circle. That is very important for the brace circle because so when we take it out, pick up, and we find this part. Yeah, this part, and first we need to install here. You see here have some part, and just fix it. To make sure it can put down. Okay, and then we can find this part, the cable, a sampling tube. They have 4 parts. First, we need to install this sampling tube. This part, come here. Here, as a P and V, we just connect it, and there's another we can find here. In the brace circuit, we can connect it. We must make sure it's connected well and no leakage. And second, we can see here the heighting function. Use this cable. Okay, and third one, this tube is for driving gas. It's different to the patient's circuit. This one just connect here. Another way is connect here. Now the basic install is finished. Oh, sorry. And this one. This one is CGO, just connect here. Okay. This is the basic install. Okay. And then we find the vaporizer. We have 2 vaporizers. When we want to install this one, first we need to put this key locked, open the lock, and then put this 2 hole to this 2 part. Okay, locked. Another one is same. And every time we just open one vaporizer at the same time. Okay, the third one, EGSS. When we take it to the package, and we find this is, and this is. This part we just
plug in this slot.
Yeah, and use this tube. One is connected here, another side is connect this exhaust. Okay, it's finished. 暂停. Okay, this is oxygen sensor. When we open it, we find this part and this adapter. First, we install this adapter. Okay, the second one, connect the tube. The cable. This cable side, this part we connect here, oxygen. And there's another way, we just open this part, inspiration, connect. Okay, it's finished. Oxygen sensor. Okay.
Connect a mainstream gas module adapter between Y-piece and test line.
Okay, first we need to turn on the machine. Before we turn on the machine, we need to connect the gas supply. We have 3 tubes to connect it. Different. Here will show you which one, oxygen, air, or natural oxygen. Okay. When we turn on the machine, it has a safe test. Wait a moment. Okay. Now it do the safety system test, and first it will test the oxygen sensor and the oxygen supply. If we connect the gas supply, it will okay, and the AC power we connect to the power socket. Okay, now we haven't it, so we just skip. If you have, just continue. It will pass. And second is manual test. First, adjust the API valve to 30 milliliter. Okay, 30. This is API valve. And second, we can install the manual bag. This one is manual bag. Here, this one manual bag. And the third is the white piece. This is tube. And we connect this white piece to connect this T-port. And then push oxygen to 20 to 40. That means we just push it and make the pressure gauge to 20 to 30 and keep it. It will pass. Okay, now we haven't it, so we just skip it. When we finish this test, we go into this display, and first we need to choose the patient type. Push it, it will change the color to yellow, and use the knob. Choose adult or children, and then we need to choose what's the ventilation mode. For example, the volume, pressure, assembly. Now we just use the volume control. When we turn on it and we pass it, the parameters, we can set total volume, frequency, IE, TP, PEEP, and Pmax. And another thing is alarm. When we doctor do this, he can set the alarm. Also, the alarm we have the ventilation alarm, gas alarm, agent alarm, and the lock. Okay, now we talk about the calibration. So, if we want to do the calibration, this part, if we want to do the oxygen or agents or touch screen calibration, first now we can start, right? So first we need to change the ventilation mode to standby mode, and then we do the calibration. Here, do the calibration. So first we need to connect the oxygen sensor. Now we haven't. If you connect it as the first video, and we just do the start, it's okay. And it will show you when first, if you do the oxygen calibration, we need to take the oxygen sensor to the air, and after 2 minutes it will calibration okay. And the second is the agent or carbon dioxide gas mode. Now we haven't, but if you have, we just see here, it will become green. If the color is changed green, and it's okay, it's calibration. And touch screen is just like your phone, it's very easy. Okay, another thing, system. You can see in this display we have 3 wave, 1 PT, VT, and sorry. Oh. Okay, now we see the display. The screen will show the 3 waveform, and if we want to change the waveform, for example, we want to change the waveform to carbon dioxide or flow, we just set the system and find the waveform 2, waveform 3 to change. And sometimes doctor use the p-plant, these parameters, but sometimes the doctor want to use the p-min. Here is plant, and we can change it to p-min. Okay, the second one is the gas used. How much the gas use? We just can show here. Now we can know the agent, the natural oxygen, how much we use, from where. It's easy. The informations. This one just says the voltage. It doesn't matter, and we just show here the language, the date. Also, both of them in the system, we can set the date and set the time. If we set the time, okay, set the time, we just push it, change yellow, and use the knob. Here is knob, we use the knob to change. If we change it, okay, we just push it, confirm it. Okay, now time is changed, and we do the down, it's okay. Another thing about the gas module. Maybe sometimes you connect the mainstream gas module, but it haven't show, so we just push it. When we install the gas module and find this gas module, just push. But now we haven't the gas module. If you have, you just push it, make sure it is open. Okay. This next is the loop. We just push it. Okay, it will show the 2 loops. Also, we can save the reference 1. It means we can save 1 loops, and the next time it will show new loops to compile. Okay, about the check. Check is every day doctor opens the machine and need to do the check. First is leakage test. When we do the leakage test, we can by this step by step. First, close the flow meter. We need to make sure here. We need to make sure all the flow meter is closed. Okay, when it's closed, and second, connect the white piece to the test pop, just like what we show the manual test. It's same. And the third is fill the bellows. If you talk about fill the bellows, we just do this, push it, and the bellow will go up. If we finish it and do done, it will test by itself. Our second is compliance test. Compliance test just so we need first do the leakage test, and then we connect the. Now we haven't this part, this guys, so we can't do this. But if you have the gas supply, you just take the tube. The white piece, remember the white piece. You just take the white piece, take out, and connect the test line, and then we just do start. It's okay.